Hi guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, we will learn how to build the Danish pavilion designed by Pinkos. Let's see the image first. It's located in Shanghai. Let's open the number 10 Danish pavilion. I have provided you the curves and cross-section curve. But before we use Grasshopper to do it, let's see how to do it in Rhino. We just drag the surface creation tools and we use waypoint view. I have told you how to do this in the Rhino tutorials before. Select the view and cross-section curve. Hold Shift Command and press Enter. Click OK. And another one, right click to repeat the same command. And then cross-section curve. Cool. If you are not very familiar with Rhino, you need to be careful when you do this command. Okay, let's repeat again. See, here are two arrows. We need to put them in the same direction and same position. If I change this one to here, let's see what will happen. So we create another form like this. If I fall it back, Ctrl Z, and use this command again. If I change this arrow towards to down, like this. See the building surface. There is a broken surface here. See it? So there is some problem. Okay, let's do it back. So if you are not familiar with Rhino, please join our Rhino course. Rhino is the basic thing for your Grasshopper design, okay? Because I have turned on my record history here, you can turn on your control point. See this one? Before it, let me rebuild the curve. For 10 points with 3 degrees, because now we have 100 control points, that's too much. Click OK, then you see a much cleaner surface compared to this one. And if I select all of the control points, and then we can control it like this. Let me rebuild the curve of this one. Still 10 points with 3 degrees. And I have turned on record history, so when I select these two lines, now I can select all of the control points and select the surface of it. And I just use gumball and drag it. And we can control the form of it. We can drag this down or drag it up to control the form of it. Cool. Delete this one. And turn on the Grasshopper. Let's preview how to do it in Grasshopper now. I have already provided you 2 curves here. Let me show it. We will explain it much detail in the next tutorial, like how to build these curved lines. Let me quick introduce this Grasshopper chains for you now. Okay, if you can't find where the perpendicular frames, you can use Ctrl plus Option and click this battery. See here, it is under the curve options and find perpendicular frames. Show it. You see here, we created 2 perpendicular frames on the curve. And then the next one is align plane. It's under the vector options here. Align plane, this one. And I use Z direction, connect them together. And you see here, all of the frames towards to Z direction now. And the next one is we just create two small rectangle. Yeah. And the last step is we use sweep point rule. It's very similar to what we did in the Rhino. Cool guys, you can try to do this one by yourselves, and you can hold Ctrl+ option and click it to find where is the battery, okay? And then in the next tutorial, I will show you how to build the curve and some other knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.